elections, certificate of canvass of votes and proclamation of winning candidates for member Sangguniang Bayan, May 12, 2025 National, Local, and Park Parliamentary Elections, May 12, 2025. We, the undersigned members of the Municipal Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 57,000 precincts for the candidates therein for member Sangguniang Bayan in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part thereof is a statement of votes by precinct garnered by each candidate. Number 1, Donato P.